Glow is giving me Ballet-core vibes. So I'm so excited to create this look. Here it is. I found this photo on Pinterest and I'm so excited to recreate this ultra pink glam. This is going to be so much fun. Let's do it. My skin is freshly cleansed, so I'm going to move in to my toner. This is the Vanilla Milk Toner by Kylie Skin, and it is seriously my favorite toner. I love the consistency of it and how smooth it leaves my skin after I apply it. Next up is this vitamin C serum by Cocokind. Again, Cocokind is one of my favorites. Also, side note, I leave a few minutes in between applying these different skincare layers just so that way it can absorb into my skin before I continue layering. Next up, my favorite moisturizer by Cocokind. This is the Texture Smoothing Cream. It is such a beautiful product and it always leaves my skin so soft. I always make sure to do a really good skincare routine underneath my makeup looks just because there's such a difference in how the makeup will stay on my face and last throughout the day when I do a really good skincare routine first. Number one thing I'm going to do, I take a little bit of extra, I apply it under my eyes, and I leave a good amount because I'm going to use my reusable eye masks next. So that way while I do my eye makeup, the skincare is soaking in right under here. These are by Apres Beauty. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. I love their products. I'm an ambassador for them. These reusable eye masks are, in my opinion, so good because I can apply whatever product I want underneath them and let it soak in. So cool. Next up, this eye look is like a pink free-for-all. So I'm taking the Pink Power Blush by Kylie Cosmetics and I'm going to go all over. To create this really beautiful light shimmer, I'm actually going to use, I don't think they sell this anymore. This is by Kylie Cosmetics. I absolutely love this. It's called Qveen. I bought a lot of these when they were available, so I still have plenty of them left. But this is just like a really beautiful shimmer and I feel like it's just perfect. I think that there's enough in the cap for me to actually just use that. So I'm going to get a very thick brush here. You can see that shimmer. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to apply that in there. I mean, this product is amazing. I don't know why I'm completely drawing a blank at what the name of the product was. Once I look at it, I know, like, look at the box, I know I'll remember. I adjusted the eye mask a little bit just because there is a very strong wing on this look, so I'm just gonna pull this out here. I did not necessarily plan on using all Kylie Cosmetics, but I feel like she has all the colors that I need right now. I'm going to use the Yorso Money Baby palette. There is a shade in here called Long Money that I want, which is right here. Now this is the color for the crease. I am not done with the eyes yet. There's still more shimmer that I want to apply and a little bit of blending, but I am going to put on this liner. I'm going to come back and add a bit more to the eyes later, but let's get started on the rest of the look. One of my go-tos for a really smooth finish is this CCC cream by Honest Beauty. I absolutely love this one, and very rarely does any redness ever come through when I use this. For under my eyes, this is literally my go-to product. You can find it on Smashbox now. So this is originally from BECCA Cosmetics, and it's an under eye brightening corrector. Literally, the results from this are just like incredible. Now, I find that you don't really need that much product to make a difference. Like instantly, there's a difference between here and on this side. Next up, brows. I have the Milk Makeup Cush Fiber Gel. This is the shade Dub. I mean, look at the difference from one brow to the other. I love this. Just to fill in a few of the gaps, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Each of my brows have a mind of their own, so I need to fill them in a bit differently. Setting spray time. I don't know why I do that. It's like this habit where I'm just like, bringing it in. Right here, I have a pink setting powder. Again, this is a product by BECCA. I will do some research and see if this one is still available. I am absolutely loving this really strong eye with a very clean look here. I think it's just the perfect combination. So my new favorite by Dibs Beauty. I feel like I talk about Dibs Beauty all the time now. So this is the blush. This is the contour. I mean, this color is beautiful. I love this because it also has somewhat of a natural highlight to it as well. You obviously have seen I have not applied any highlight yet, but this color is beautiful. I love Dibs, and you're going to be hearing about them a lot. This is the bronzer I'm going to use. I didn't want to use the other one in the Dibs just because I'm looking for a more subtle glow. So I wanted to do the powder. I remembered the name. They were called Ultra Glows. I wish they were still around, but I'm so happy I got them when they were. So this is the same one I used on the eyes. You can see that shine immediately. And this, I believe, is what the product was originally meant for, was a highlight, not necessarily the eyes like I did. She has a highlight here, very pronounced on her nose. I like to do right above the lip. For right under my brow, I'm going back to that same eyeshadow palette, this sheer shimmer up here called Time is Money. And I have the cutest little fan brush. I mean, that's beautiful. I like this brush because it applies a really good amount. I'll have details for all of these and the shades I used on my blog. I mean, that's a gorgeous, gorgeous highlight here. Now, I don't know why, but for me, looking at a lip color and matching it is something that I am working on. But I'm gonna go for it today with this one. This is my favorite color, High Maintenance by Kylie Cosmetics. So this is the liner. Here is the matching lip kit. Now this is a matte lip, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I probably just need to buy another one of these because I use it all the time. Now, because she has a really glossy look, I'm adding the Italian Soda by Dibs Beauty. I love it. Her eyes are closed, so I have no idea what's going on with her lower lash just based on that and that it's down at an angle. So I'm just going to apply some white on the inner corner from a palette by Fenty Beauty. Again, everything about this look is just very bright and light, other than the hot pink in the crease. I mean, look at the difference when I apply just a little bit. It's so much brighter on this side. I'll tag a few of my favorite shades that I use on the inside on my Like to Know It for you and on my blog. Last but not least, the same mascara I used on my upper lash. I'm just going to put a little bit on the lower. This mascara is crazy good, so I'm just going to do a light coating. All right, the makeup is done. I'm so excited. This came out so much better than I thought it was. So you can see the shimmer. I love this. Let's do a little bit of hair just to complete the really, again, Ballet-core look. Thank you for joining me for today's Ballet-core inspired makeup. I am so happy with how this turned out, and I cannot wait to keep making more looks for you. Follow me for more, and I can't wait to see you again.